Alright guys, what's going on? Nox Cloud King here, back for another video. We got a special Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing for you guys. So we've got Clash of Rebellions, we've got Rising Rampage, and Chaos Impact, guys. I'm gonna save Clash of the Rebellions for last. We'll do Chaos Impact and then Rising Rampage. So let's jump right in here, guys. Ever since the pandemic started here, I've been getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh, collecting Yu-Gi-Oh, looking forward to unboxing things and just checking out what's new in the world of Yu-Gi-Oh, being that I've been absent from the community for a little while. All right, okay. So check out the cards they gave us. We've got Armory Call. That one's pretty dope. It's cool. Wow. This one is dope. So not for nothing, two little hologram cards right off the bat, right in the back of this pack. So check out the rest of these guys. I don't want to be too much of a savage when I open these. All right, clean up the mess later. Here we go. All right, we got Crusher Run. Okay. Infinite Track Brutal Dozer. Oh, Hard Crystal. Put that one over here with these guys. Brutal Beast Battle. There we go. Prometeor, the Burning Star. The Baneful Barrel. Let's go. Zombie types. So, guys, if you don't know, zombie types and fiend types tend to be my favorite cards. So, I'm going to definitely look at that guy later and check out his effect and stuff. Okay, Gladiator here. Trap card. All right. All right, not too bad. A lot of these cards I don't know about, guys, because like I said, I've been absent for the community for a while. But I will be researching all of these cards as soon as I wrap up the video here. And yeah, so guys, if I got any godly pulls, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any of these cards. Let me know what you guys think about Yu-Gi-Oh. Let me know what you guys think about the content. Just trying to vary up the content a little bit on the channel. Offer you guys a little bit more value. Try not to be a savage right now, but Yu-Gi-Oh's tempting me right now because I'm about to be a savage and just rip it off. But I want to mess up the card, you know? All right, so we got Spiral Galaxy here. Protocol. Okay. Sea Angel. Okay. That guy's pretty cool. Checking out. Oh, what is that? The Dream Mirror. Whoa, that one is dope, guys. Check that out. Nice, beautiful fairy card there. That is really nice. Yeah. All right, so we got Tyrant Farm. Aroma Gardening. The World Legacy. All right, Dino Wrestler. Last pack of Chaos Impact. Let's see what we get. Abominable Chamber of the Unchained. DD Patrol Plane. Okay. Cauldron of the Old Man. Whoa. A nice synchro card here. I gotta look into this one. Oh, Gladiator Beast. Nice. That one's dope too. I like that one. I like the artwork. Round tail. There we go. Boom Baleen. All right. And Battle Ocean. So we got some decently good cards out of those. Check these out. They're pretty dope. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do Rising Rampage. Gotta go straight savage mode. Get that out of here. Get out of here. All right, guys. Let's see these cards in the back. Boom. Oh, dope. A nice Sea Angel. I think we got a regular common one before. Oh, Battle Ocean. That is dope. Put those right to the side. Rising Rampage. Let's get it, guys. Grid Rod. Rescue Interlacer. Defender of the Labyrinth. Whoa, Hypernova Burst, guys. Look at that spell card. That looks beautiful. Oh, man, that looks so good. Look how pretty that card is. Vessel for the Dragon Cycle. Sorry, guys. The camera's in my way, so it's really hard for to read these guys. Fuchu. Okay, okay. Blockout Curtain. Okay. Draw Discharge. Bird of Calamity. All right. Savage mode. Let's get it. All right. Here we go. Sextet Summon. Dream Mirror Fantasy. Baltister. Okay. Sea Star. Okay, okay. What we got here? Oh, what is that? Oh. The Dream Mirror Sprite. All right, and we've got Fist of the Unraveled. Okay. Gonna have to look into this trap card. Looks pretty interesting. Got another Fucho card. Rogue. Okay, okay. And Dino Wrestler. All right. Last one, the Rising Rampage. Let's see what we get. Oh, that one opened nice. Shining Star GT. Okay, okay. Sextet Summon again. Let's get it. Voltister, what's going on, guys? What's up with the repeats? Oh, look at that. The White Knight. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. Check this guy out. Ooh. Spirit card. There we go. Manganesian. Okay. Spellcaster. Okay, okay. We got a 80s wrestler again. Oh my god, we got the Rogue again. And the Wave. All right. So that was it for Rising Rampage. Now, let's see. So this pack actually cost the most out of any of them. So Clash of the Rebellions. Let's see if it's any good. I have no idea, guys. Like I said, I've been absent from the Yu-Gi-Oh community forever. I literally went out and bought whatever Yu-Gi-Oh cards I can get my hands on so that I can unbox them for you guys and make content for you guys. And so I'm going to find out after this video if these cards are any good. So guys, please let me know in the comments if these cards are any good. Chuck that. Clash of the Rebellions. I keep saying the Rebellions, but Clash of Rebellions. Whatever. Okay, so these cards are face up for some reason. So I'm hoping that they're good. So let's see what we got. Oh, he looks dope. Look at that guy. Fusion Fiend type. Destruction Sword Flash. Let's start with the packs. Here we go. Ferret Flames. Perform Mage Damage Juggler. Super Heavy Samurai Blowtorch. Raid Raptor. Perform Pal Trapeze Magician? Okay. That is a mouthful. Try to say that 3 times fast. Alright. Opera the Melodious Diva? Rizebell the Summoner? Black Metal Dragon, guys. Look at that. I haven't seen a Black Metal Dragon in a while, to say the least. And then we've got Wavering Ice. Check out the next pack. Whoa. The Gallant. Okay, okay. Pendulum Warrior here. Raptor's Gust. Raid Raptor again. Ignition Phoenix. Ignite Burst. Okay, that looks dope. Balance of Judgment, guys. Pianissimo. Okay. Perform Mage Trick Clown. And Aroma Garden, guys. All right, guys. So far, Clash of the Rebellion is a little bit of a bust, I think, but who knows? All right, we got the Melodious Diva here. Perform Mage Hat Tricker. Desk Bot 005. Perform Pal Salutiger. Okay. Okay. Cosmo Slip Rider. Okay. Oh, Xiang Magician. That is dope. I think this is my first like Pendulum Hollow out of opening these boxes here. All right, we got a Raid Raptor Singing Lannis. Secret Blast. That's a retro card. And Bubble Barrier, guys. All right, guys, so that's it for this unboxing. Guys, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment on the channel. Let me know what you think about the content. Let me know what you think about the cards that we've pulled, what you think about Yu-Gi-Oh in general. Are you playing Yu-Gi-Oh? Are you back into Pokemon? Are you back into Yu-Gi-Oh? This whole pandemic has got people doing more things indoors now, and I feel like the Yu-Gi-Oh community, Pokemon community, and trading card game community in general is benefiting greatly because its popularity is going up again, guys. You know, we're gonna see more YouTube content out there, more channels, more unboxings. All right, guys, that's it from me. Catch you later.